This video will show you how you can blur or replace your background on Amazon Chime. With ManyCam opened, let's connect your webcam. One way of doing it is by clicking on the main video source here and selecting your webcam. Next, we can go to the Chroma Key tab and check out the Virtual Backgrounds feature. Here, just flip the switch so it detects your background automatically. Click on Replace to remove your background and then choose one of the images available as your virtual background, like the beach, a classroom, or you can add your own images. With the virtual backgrounds ready, let's connect ManyCam to Amazon Chime. Here we opened our Amazon Chime meeting on Firefox. You can also use Chrome or download their app. One way to connect ManyCam is to click on the Video tab and select it as your video source. In this case, it prompts Firefox to let us select the source, and we can go ahead and select ManyCam. And that's all done! ManyCam is connected to Amazon Chime. So now you can use virtual backgrounds, blur, and many more live video tools to enhance your video conferences.